Hi everyone, I'm Zahra Rashida. So today I'm going to explain you about the 41 question of database management. Now let's go to the first question. Write the relational algebra query to change the stock table to inventory. So to change the stock table as inventory, I will use the rename symbol, which is shown as like this. After that, inside the brackets, I will enter the new name as inventory. After that, at the right side of the brackets, I will add the column name. I will add the table name as stock. So this is the previous name of the table and this is the name which we have renamed. Now I will go to the second question. Use the user type table used to store the user types in the columns of that table. Change the table name of the column called user type ID to type ID and name of the column called user type name to type name. Write the relational algebra query for that. So that means we need to change the column names as type ID and type name. So for this, I will use the rename mark. After that, inside the brackets, I will add the column names, which is known as type ID and type name. After that, in the right corner inside the brackets, I will add the table name as user type. Now let's go to the third question. Here they have told the brand table is used to store the product brands. You need to change the name of the table to product brand. In the columns of that table, you need to change the name of the column called brand ID to BID and the name of the column called brand name to bname. Write the relational algebra query for that. So that means we need to write the query. For this also I will use the rename mark. After that, inside the brackets, I will mention the table name as product brand After that, inside the brackets, I will add the new column names as BID, comma, bname. Now I will close the bracket. After that, in the right corner, I will mention the previous table name as brand. So this is how we should answer the third question. Now let's go to the fourth question. There is a table called GRN item to store the selling price of the product. the price at which the product was purchased, and the quality of the product. You need to separate the columns product ID, quantity price, selling price from that table. Names of the columns in that table should be changed in this way. The column called product ID needs to be PID. The quantity column has to be P quantity. The unit price column has P unit price, and the selling price column has to be P selling price. Write the relational algebra for that. So for this, we should use the projector. After that, inside the brackets, we should add the column names. As product ID, comma, quantity, unit price, selling price, and have to close the bracket. After that, inside another bracket, I will enter the selector after that again inside the brackets, the new column names, which is known as PID, P quantity, P unit, and P selling price. After that, I can close the brackets. After that, in the right corner, I will add the table name, which is known as GRN item. So this is how we should answer the fourth question. Hope you understood everything. Thank you.